Howdy folks, Matt with B&B Automotive. You have cloudy headlights? Well, they are dirty, they're ugly, and they're a safety hazard. But there is a process you can go back to restore those headlights. Starts out, you got to make them ugly before you can make them pretty. You have to start out by sanding all that cloudiness off. That's sun damage. Here in Texas, we have a lot of sun. You got to sand that down, wet sand it down, get all that cloudiness off. We'll go back and repolish it then to make it clear again. That makes it shine light, the light's brighter, keeps you and your family safe again. Once you have that all safetied up and you've got it all good and polished up, you've got to go back and put some kind of protectant on to keep that from happening again. We use the UV protectant to make them shine and clear again, and make them look like new. Come see Jake here, call George, call Gary, set up your appointment to have yours looked at. It's way cheaper than replacing them, and like I say, it is a major safety hazard. Keep your family safe. Come see the Barnes brothers at B&B Automotive. Keep your headlights looking great. What a difference.